In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and HOVERAir X1 Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing action in sports like cycling or skateboarding. Despite weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, taking off from your palm with a single click and folding away for easy transport. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight paths including hover, follow, zoom out, and orbit, with each battery supporting approximately 20 of these paths for about 11 minutes of flight time. The HOVERAir X1 Drone supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing capability. The HOVER X1 app allows for live monitoring of the drone's camera feed and manual control of its flight path, while also offering a platform for downloading and sharing photos and videos. The drone is fully enclosed with safety guards and boasts 32 gigabytes of internal storage, securing your privacy with locally stored content and providing an extra layer of protection for both the drone and its surroundings. The DJI Mini 3 Pro and the HOVERAir X1 Drone are both compelling choices for drone enthusiasts, each offering a unique set of features that cater to different user preferences. While the DJI Mini 3 Pro excels in its high-resolution 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capabilities, an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, the HOVERAir X1 Drone shines with its advanced tracking algorithms and variety of intelligent flight paths. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, weighing less than 249 grams, is not only compact and portable, but also offers advanced safety features like tri-directional obstacle sensing. Meanwhile, the HOVERAir X1 Drone, despite its light weight of 125 grams, captures remarkable action sequences at speeds up to 15 miles per hour and offers a user-friendly experience with its palm takeoff feature. Both drones are equipped with intelligent features, like the DJI Mini 3 Pro's FocusTrack and the HOVERAir X1 Drone's Follow Me mode, enhancing the user's creative options. However, in terms of video quality, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's 4K resolution outperforms the HOVERAir's 2.7K. This aspect may be a deciding factor for users prioritizing high-quality video capture.